How to transfer USDT from OKX wallet to Binance, the safest, easiest way. Have you ever felt that moment of panic? When your hard-earned USDT feels stuck inside an exchange and you're not sure how to safely move it, what if one small mistake sends your funds into the void, forever lost? But take a deep breath, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance safely and confidently, even if this is your first time. And no, we're not going to mine through confusing jargon or endless tutorials, just pure clarity, simple steps, and a dash of crypto wisdom your future self will thank you for. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, because on this channel, we don't just move crypto, we move toward financial freedom. Together. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Getting your Binance deposit address. First, let's secure the destination, your Binance deposit address. Open your Binance app, log in, and tap Wallets in the bottom right corner. Swipe left, find USDT, and click Deposit. Wait, ERC20, TRC to O, BEP20. Confused yet? Don't worry, this is where most people panic, but here's the golden rule. Always choose the same network for both exchanges. No shortcuts. Today, we're using ERC20 for reliability. Tap ERC20, copy that shiny deposit address. This is your vault key. 2. Withdrawing from the OKX wallet. Now for the second step. Transferring from OKX, open OKX, log in, head to your wallet, and select Withdraw. Choose USDT, and you'll be asked how to withdraw. Here's your cue. Click on Chain Transfer. Paste that Binance deposit address you copied, double-check it. Then triple-check it, one typo, and the funds are gone. No second chances in blockchain. Select the same network, ERC20. Choose your withdrawal account. Funding is usually best. Now's not the time for wild guesses. Don't treat this like a multiple-choice test. Confirm submission. After OKX processes, give it a few minutes, and boom. Your funds appear in Binance, but before you start celebrating, a few critical warnings. Always double-check deposit addresses. Watch those network fees, how they fluctuate, just like the market. Secure your accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Remember, crypto is freedom, but freedom comes with responsibility. Be cautious, and you'll never have to worrying about losing your assets. And here's where things get exciting. In our next video, I'll show you how to take that USDT sitting in your Binance account and grow it passively using Binance Earn and staking strategies that even beginners can master. You won't want to miss that if this video saved you time and stress. Show some love, like, comment below with the word USDT master to let me know you made it to the end. And subscribe for more tutorials that make crypto simple. Ready for the next level? Click right here to watch my tutorial on how to grow your crypto safely and turn your wallet from a vault into a money machine. I'll see you there.